everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Aubriana. I own a business called Baked by Brie 13, where I do event party treats for any type of event. Basically, I do chocolate covered strawberries, chocolate Oreos, cake pops, all types of fun goodies. And I thought it would be good to go ahead and record the process. A lot of people have been asking for this video on how I did my chocolate covered strawberries, what I use, what strawberries I use, and basically my process and how I do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. I'm very excited. All right, guys, and excuse my appearance for this video. I kind of just decided last minute that I was gonna do this video. I wanted to film an intro, so it wasn't just an opening of a video. And if you guys have done any chocolate strawberries or you have any tips or tricks that I could use, I'd be happy to read them in the comments below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and like I said, comment down below. I'm actually very excited to do this video for you guys, so let's get started. Okay, so I do have one of these Wilton like sticky silicone mats. They are great for baking, cake decorating, cookie making. So I like to use it with a bench scraper. This is great because the silicone will allow it to harden up similar to like a parchment paper if it's say chocolate or anything like that. And then once you're done with your drizzles or whatnot, you can go ahead and just scrape it all up. I've already soaked and washed my strawberries. I wanted to show you guys the difference between organic strawberries and non-organic strawberries. So I have a pack of organic strawberries here, and you can see how large they are. So these, you can see they're kind of wonky. There's like one or two decent looking ones, but just overall look pretty weird. Some of them look like fused together. They're just a regular pound of non-organic strawberries, and these are the ones that I use when I make my orders. But I'm going to go ahead and take them back out of the pack, put them into my bowl. Soak and wash your strawberries before you do anything, basically, because the strawberries need time to not only dry, but they also need time to come to room temperature. You're going to want to thoroughly dry them, kind of give them a little bit of a squeeze with a paper towel. Don't apply pressure, just kind of gently grasp them. If you squeeze them too hard, you'll create soft spots. Continue on. Now, I know I said that you don't necessarily want soft spots. However, if you have soft spots, it won't be too much of a problem. I would just try and avoid creating them. I usually go through my berries after I dry them off, and I choose the best looking, best conditioned berries, biggest, most beautiful, and those will be the dozen or 2 dozen or however many I'm making that I'll choose. It's good to keep a couple packs of the same strawberry on hand. Like I said, if you're doing organic, keep a couple packs of organic. If you have non-organic, then keep a couple of those on hand, because you may get to the middle of the pack and your bunches are just completely trashed and not usable. My grandmother always baking in the kitchen, cooking as well, but I have some of my fondest memories baking with my grandmother in the kitchen, and she's always said that baking is definitely a labor of love, and it truly is. You truly want to do every single step put out in a recipe to ensure that you're going to get the best quality result that you can, and that just goes to show right here as far as us drying and washing each berry by hand. It's really going to ensure that we get the best quality, the cleanest berries. So this part of the strawberry, the pigmentation hasn't reached all the way up. With non-organic strawberries, normally if you were to take a bite into this would be bitter. It would taste just like plant matter. It wouldn't really have any type of sweetness to it. However, with these strawberries, these organic large strawberries, they're sweet all the way throughout, even up here. I mean, it's not as strong a flavor down here as it is up here, but it's nothing in comparison to the other berries, which is why I still do dip these berries up to the stem, and it's not something that's compromising the quality that I feel of my orders or my products. So I'm going to be using the Ghirardelli milk chocolate. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting toothpicks into my strawberries so I can dip them. I'm just going to put 2 toothpicks in. And I can shake this strawberry. I can shake it and it's not going to go anywhere because I have the 2 toothpicks. Okay. So once you see your chocolate is melted down to a good consistency, you don't have to add any shortening, you don't have to add any oil to this like you would have to do with chocolate chips or candy melts. It's just melt down and it's compound ready to go. So I love that. It's just so smooth and beautiful. Pull the stem back and then twist it around the toothpick. You don't need that much.
Like this?
No.
It tastes really good.
So I'm just gonna take my bench scraper to scrape off some of the cream from these Oreos because I'm gonna crumble the Oreos and put them on the outside of a few of the white chocolate strawberries. And then, so this one we don't have to worry about like the bumps in there because we'll cover it up with Oreos. So just keep on dipping until it's completely covered. One coat will be fine. If you poke through, it's okay. Just want to make sure that you repoke it. And then we're gonna go ahead and dry that off to get whatever just bled out when we poked it. So I'm gonna dip the stick in a little bit of white chocolate before I put it into the Oreos so it could just act like a glue and kind of secure it. That way when I dip the Oreo into the white chocolate won't be so heavy that it'll pull the Oreo off the stick because we'll have a little bit of chocolate glue.